Weld County in northeastern Colorado, north central Adams County in northeastern Colorado, until 3:00 p.m. At 2:32 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Keensburg, or 24 miles southeast of Greeley, moving south at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Keensburg around 2:35 p.m. Prospect Valley around 2:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.